Hey guys, this is Mr. Slingshot and today I want to share that why did I created this channel for you guys and what is the most special thing about my channel. The most special thing about my channel is its content. My content is always full and final and it is on everybody's opinion. It's not my content does not depend on the technical specifications, on the features. I always go for what is needed, what is required, if it's worth it or not. So guys, if you guys want to buy anything or want to see the reviews of any product, so guys, come to my channel and I will tell you if that product is for you or not, if you should buy it or not. Guys, I will never go into the deep specification details because you know those details are already available on the internet. Even before the product release, those details are available on the internet. So I don't want to waste your time by telling you all the specifications, and I will just tell you the final verdict, if the product is worth it or not, if that product is for you or not, if that product fulfill all your requirements or not. Guys, I am here for you. If you have any questions, if you cannot decide what to buy, just send me an email, guys. I will tell you, I will do the research for you and I will tell you what you should buy and if you should buy it or not. I will try my best to always keep up the standard and always share original content with you guys. It will be for you guys. It will help you decide what to do and what to buy. Do subscribe my channel, keep liking my videos, keep watching my videos, and guys, don't forget the bell icon so that you can get the latest notifications of my videos. Thank you guys, see you later.